To Juan's food review. Today I'm going to be trying Christian's Cacaquate sandwich with a grape Kool-Aid jammer. Sounds pretty good. So the way we got the jammer was because we went to Family Dollar, we walked, and we brought stuff. We brought 12 Kool-Aid jammers, a expired pound cake that said it was plain, and I found blueberries on the bottom of mine. And I don't think you're supposed to have blueberries on a plane, but I don't know. Leave a comment if you think it's true. We brought 6 moon pies. And cookies. The sandwich. Take a look over here at the sandwich. Don't put it at me. No. Look at the sandwich. This beautiful, encrusted, very well crusted, toasted at the right temperature sandwich was made by my cameraman himself, Christian, and he also owns the channel. And the sandwich was very deeply made from his love and care for the YouTube channel. So we're gonna be trying out the sandwich and the drink, but first let me tell you about moon pie, today's sponsor. Moon pie, you eat it, white cookie, white marshmallow, white cookie. You're gonna have a moon-tastic day. Also, they've been made since 1987. So we're gonna go ahead and try this sandwich. I want to get a little look at that. So we're gonna take a bite. You know, I have to comment to the chef who made this. It's fabulous. One of the best sandwiches I've eaten ever in this household. I don't usually eat here, but today, one of the best sandwiches I've ever eaten. So I'm gonna move on from here. I'm gonna try today's Kool-Aid jammer. It's grape with Kool-Aid in it. So it's not that easy to open either, see? You get the straw and the thing. You peel it off, and you see it totally comes open. So you find the pointy part. You see that pointy part right there? You get the thing. Find the hole. It's on top of the yellow always. You grab your thing and you poke a hole in it. And once you poke the hole in it, you can take a drink if you want. I'm gonna take a little sip. It tastes like when you get a pouch and water and you put the pouch in and you stir it 3 times. And that's it. So if I could rate this sandwich from 1 to 20, it's a 20. The drink, from 1 to 10, it's a strong 9.5. It's never gonna be a 10 because it's never gonna be perfect. It can be perfect if Kool-Aid decides to add that 25% sugar back, because this is not sweet. The old ones were better. I'm end the video here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you comment well. Make sure you like it well. I want a big like button on the bottom of the